Hey traders, Akil Stokes here, and I want to give you guys a quick video today giving you a look inside of my live trading room. Now, one of the things that we emphasize in our live rooms, and by we I mean myself and Jason Greystone as well in the London room, is the importance of ritual, the importance of routine, and not just in your trading day of what time you wake up, when you check your charts, when you do your pre-market, when you do your post-market, stuff like that, but when you're actually performing technical analysis as well. And one of the things that you will notice if you spend any time in there with us is that we break down the price charts in the same fashion each way, or each day I should say, meaning we start on the daily chart, then we go down to the 240, go down to the hourly, and that's all part of that IPDE process: identify, predict, decide, execute. Essentially what we want to do is have the proper perspective on the market, kind of form our idea of what direction we're looking to involve ourselves in, what direction we predict the market to go in before going to a time frame that we can actually trade on. And the importance is that it sometimes will keep you out of trading opportunities that look good from a smaller picture, but when you zoom out and look at the bigger picture, aren't really trading opportunities that we should be involved in. And there was a great example of that today with the Aussie dollar, where there was a great double top and even 26.18 opportunity on the hourly, which looked great. And who knows, that trade may end up winning. I don't know. I can't predict the markets. But as you go back out to the higher time frames and see where price action is actually at in the bigger scheme of things, you'll see that this could be one of those trap trades where it looks nice, it looks like the money is laying on the table, and the market is just waiting for you to get involved so it can trick you and stop you out. So hopefully the next few minutes provides you with some insight, and hopefully maybe can save you out of a few bad trading opportunities. So I hope you guys enjoy. And do me a favor, I've been bugging you all week with this on my my trading blog on my personal site, but I've been nominated for Forex Trainer of the Year. Right now I'm in second place. I was in first place earlier in the week, and well, I've started going backwards, which means you guys got to step your game up. I need more support, more support, more support. Make sure you're voting over there once a day, and make sure you're sharing this video with friends. Say, hey, check out this guy. He's great. We love him. If you like what you see, give him a vote as well. It'd be pretty cool to win this thing. Someone asked me if there's any money involved or any prizes. Not that I know of. I don't think so. So this is just pure ego, right? Pure ego in being a winner. I'm just a competitor. If there's something I can win at, I try to win at it. It won't change my life whether I win or lose. But hey, it's the middle of January. It's fun, right? You got to have fun with what you're doing. So go over there and vote. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's take a look at, let's go to Aussie dollar real quick. We got about 3 minutes before War Room starts. Aussie dollar, we had the bigger cipher formation. Click this bad boy on. You can see there's a bigger bull cipher. A lot of these charts are giving us the exact same formation, right? Remember yesterday's Syndicate video, or 2 days ago Syndicate video? We looked at pound, New Zealand, silver, the exact same trade on all three. This is the exact same setup as the euro, right? Excuse me. High momentum candle going down, followed up by indecision, followed up by higher high, higher close, followed up by a bullish move. If you're smart, you take notes of this and you say, okay, well, I just saw this 3 times and it gave the same reaction. Maybe this is something that I want to pay attention to in the future. Doesn't mean you add it to your strategy, doesn't mean you trade it, but you put it in your notebook, you put it in your journal, and you pay attention to it in the future, and it may be something that can help you out one of these days. Any clue we can get about the markets is a good clue. So we've got that on Aussie dollar. Not much I would want to touch now. We've made our way across back to previous structure highs, so until we get a higher high, higher close, and a move back down, I wouldn't really be interested in this. Let's go down to the 60-minute chart. This is what Rob was looking at for the kiss of death. Now, I'll tell you what, this is not, were you looking at the 60, Rob? Because there's a few issues I would have with this. If this is the move you're looking at. First is going to be, it's technically not a double top. Now again, check your data. Data, especially on the Aussie and New Zealand, sometimes change a little bit from person to person. But check your data. It's not technically a double top. And just my one concern, my main concern would be the overall direction of the market. So looking from right here, it looks like a nice 2618 kiss of death trade, right? Where the market puts in, close to a double top or a double top. We get the lower low, lower close. And then we come back up. We get a nice rejection right there. And we would look like this, right? But remember the bigger picture. Remember what we looked at on the higher time frame. What's actually happening with this market, with this chart? Does this look like a bullish or bearish setup? I guess I should do this. What do you guys think? Probably more of a bullish setup. Yeah. So that's why it's important we do that top-down analysis to kind of gain that perspective. So for a trader that maybe went straight to the 15-minute chart, or the trader that woke up in the morning, and I used to do this all the time, wake up and just go straight to my trading time frame and look for trades, they may see something here that looks very, very nice. I'm like, this looks like an awesome opportunity, right? We retested it, we got spanked down, and now look at it. Good opportunity. But then when you look at the bigger picture, it doesn't look too hot given the overall placement of price action. You guys follow me?